Welcome to my channel today. If you are watching me on Facebook, please share, subscribe. If you are watching me on YouTube, share, subscribe. If you are here watching me on TikTok, share, comment, subscribe, because it will give me the confidence and the mind to do more, and we'll have to progress together as the case may be. So in today's class, or in today's video, I'm going to discuss how to start phone accessories business in Nigeria. Phone accessories business in Nigeria. This business has come to stay. Is there a market for it? There is. But I always tell people, for you to go into business, there are some basic principles. Master those principles. One of them is to get a mentor. I know it's in search of a mentor. That is why you are here today to listen to someone who can give you or impart little he has for you. So welcome to my channel, or welcome to my video. I am going to talk of phone accessories, as I said, with over 200 million people. We are more than 80% use phones. The market is available. But here is the game. What I'm going to tell you is you are not going to get it anywhere. My information is based on years of experience in those fields. If you want to have success in that business, ensure you get a busy area or go to where the market is. That's the first thing. Don't isolate it. Don't say this area there is no phone accessory. Let me go and open phone accessory there. It doesn't work that way. Go to busy areas, parks, junctions, busy barbing salon, because there is a type of merge between the barbing salon owner and the phone accessories. I will explain more. What are phone accessories? Phone accessories, we have batteries, we have phone pouch, that is the cover. We have the earpiece, that's phone accessories. We have have I mentioned battery? The battery, yes. Those things are phone accessories. It is very profitable. Let me tell you, we buy all these local earpiece for 150, 200 and sell for 1,000 naira. Yes. Whatever you sell in that business is times 2 or times 3. But here is the gist. If you want to start phone accessory business as a beginner, I will tell you products you have to avoid. Avoid phone pouch. Phone pouch is a fashion part of the phone accessory. Once the phone is over and you didn't sell the pouch, it is a waste on your side. So don't start with phone pouch. But you see earpiece, you see charger, you see the batteries. Don't go for big batteries. No. Go for batteries, those small phones, those small touch phones. Now the small batteries. These are the things you go for. Those ones, they can never be out of market. Their prices are not certain. That is, they don't have fixed prices. That is what makes the business very, very lucrative. Where do you get products? There are two places to get products for phone accessories, if you don't know. If you have the capital, you go to Alaba. Yes, that is where we used to buy from. I used to buy from. You go to Alaba, you get them cheaper. If you don't have the capacity of going to Alaba, in any state you are, we have dealers. Go and ask, tell them you are a reseller. What they sell to final consumer is not what they sell to you. Once you tell them you are a reseller. So once you go to any state you are, ask who are the dealers. Now from there, you can buy almost Lagos price. Yes, almost Lagos price. What is the capital you need to start this business? It will interest you to know that you can start with even 50 or 100,000 naira. All you do is get a busy junction, as I said, or get a busy, um, if you can afford shop on a busy shop, on a busy junction, then you go into partnership with shops at busy junctions or busy area. Do you know that hanging just a 4 by 4 board and hang phone chargers and other things, you will make a lot of money from it? I'm speaking out of experience. If you sell 5 chargers a day, if these are chargers we buy 900 naira, and you sell 5 a day for 2,000, you are making 1,100 times 5 is about 6,000 naira or 5,500 daily. A month is about 600 or something, or a month is about 150,000 or thereabout. That is selling only 5 chargers daily. Then we've not even talk of earpiece. We've not talk of battery. These things, you sell them with times 2, times 3. If you find yourself in a very, how do I put it, busy area, school environment, you will definitely make nothing less than 6,000-7,000 daily. Multiply by a month, you are talking of 200 and something thousand. And you can start this business, I'm saying, with just 50 to 100,000 naira. All you do is to liaise with someone who has a shop or a busy shop and ask for uh, a space, negotiate. The business is worthy of doing. The only thing I want you to understand, avoid phone parts. We have difference between phone parts and phone accessories. When you start selling screen, mouthpiece, those ones are phone parts and they are capital intensive. So avoid them. But you see what screen guards, good. We buy screen guard 150 and sell 1,000 naira. These things are what people will always want for. So please, if you are starting new, look for a right position. You don't need bulk money. All you need is where there is leg. Avoid trading within your environment. Ensure you go out of environment to avoid credit. With this, you will definitely enjoy phone business, phone accessory business in Nigeria. Please share, please comment, please subscribe. If you need a business plan, if you need consultation, anything about business, you can contact me. I will definitely give you the best as I can. Thank you for watching.